everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It is time for another Chatty Get Ready with me. So let's just get started. I just put my makeup on and chat about what's going on in my life. If it seems a little darker, it is a very rainy and gloomy day. So I have all the lights on, but I don't know, it might look a little darker in here anyway. So let's get started. I've already done my skincare and put my primer on. So they are still working on that house next door. I don't know what the deal is. They've had inspector, they'll do something, the inspector comes over, and then they do something else, the inspector comes over. So I don't know what the deal is, but I don't know what's wrong. But anyway, that is still going on. They're still blocking. Well, they don't block. They block our mailboxes, but they park in our yard, in front of our, right outside at the edge of our yard. And then the neighbors across the street put up signs for no parking, and now they've put up big rocks. Yeah. Big rocks, so they definitely can't park there. They ignore the sign, then they get the rocks. So I just put some more into my yard. I hope they'll be done soon and all that'll be over with. That would be nice. I dyed my hair. I'm not letting it go gray. I don't know. I don't think I have the patience to let it go gray, and I like it better lighter than darker, so I will just keep dyeing it for now. Anything else going on? What's going on? I finally, my state, I can go on the list to get my shot. Other states are so much farther ahead than North Carolina. They are just now allowing people who are at risk, and also essential workers that are not medical. Just now. We're just now getting in there. So I've got my name on several lists. So hopefully it'll come through. I have some friends who are younger than me who've already gotten their shots, and people have been asking, how did you get your shot? And one friend of mine said she is considered a child care worker. Her child is in her second year of college, and she doesn't keep children. I don't know how she got that. She's a web designer. And then her estranged husband, he also got his shot. He said he's considered an essential worker. He's a photographer. He goes and does portraits for people. He takes, I'm like, okay, I am too chicken to lie and say what I do. I mean, I don't do anything. I'm at home. But I am at risk. But, oh well. There you go. Maybe I should have lied. But I just feel like, it'll catch up to you. But, anyway. I am on the several lists. So hopefully I can get a vaccine soon. I hope. Really not much going on. I talked to my mother-in-law. She and my father-in-law went to Pigeon Forge last week, I think. Neither one of them's vaccinated yet, and they went to Pigeon Forge. Anyway. So she said she's ready to go to the beach, and she owes me a beach trip. I don't know if you guys remember. You probably don't. 2 years ago, September, 2 years ago, and that would have been, God, my dates are 2018. My mother-in-law was taking me to the beach. She had decided she was going to take me on a beach trip. And we went. We were there right at 24 hours, I think, before we had to evacuate because of a hurricane. So we had 24 hours, and then the few weeks after that, I was diagnosed with breast cancer. So, she says she owes me a beach trip, so she wants to go in May. We'll see. We'll see how fast I can get my vaccine. She's really wanting me to get my vaccine. She got her first shot day before yesterday, and she's been emailing me this place, that place, and my name's already on those lists, so believe me, I would love a trip to the beach. Ooh, it's raining hard. We're supposed to get thunderstorms, bad storms today. So, I'm not looking forward to that, but I can hear it raining. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. Maybe you can hear that? Yes. Storms, storms, storms. That means a puppy inside who, when he has to go to the bathroom, has to be walked in the rain. But usually during the day, if he's not outside all day, he's good about just sleeping most of the day, so he's probably laying down sleeping somewhere. I'm getting a hot flash. I'm ready to change out my clothes. I'm ready to put my spring clothes into the closet, and I might do that maybe this weekend. I don't know what our goal is this weekend. Last weekend was raining, and we didn't do the back of the garage because of the rain, because I wanted to pull stuff out, and it was raining, so we just did nothing last weekend. Just took it easy. This weekend, it's not supposed to rain. Rain's supposed to be gone by then. So, maybe we work in the garage. I don't know. I'm just playing it by ear right now. Let's see. I have really been struggling this week trying to decide if I want to keep doing YouTube. I keep going back and forth. I've been doing YouTube over 4 years now, and I don't have, oh, this is broken. I don't have a whole lot of subscribers. Well, I do. I have over 1,000. I have 1,400 and something. It keeps, I keep hovering. I hover around the same amount of subscribers. I lost a lot of views when I was gone with cancer, because you know, if you've been watching somebody, then their videos are recommended to you, but if you've stopped watching them, then you don't get the recommendation for their videos. And I think that's what happened to me, and people aren't coming back. So I have all of you who are watching right now, I know, are my tried and true friends and are watching my videos, but and you're the reason I'm sitting here today putting my makeup on, instead of saying, oh, I started to say a bad word, instead of F it and just be done with it. Because sometimes I don't feel like filming. Sometimes I do. I'm not a lover of social media that I am on Facebook and Instagram a lot. I'm on Facebook maybe once a day, just for a little while. Not long. I don't sit around in Facebook and see what's going on. Purple Haze palette today. But, so I know if I promoted my channel more and did all the stuff you're supposed to, maybe my channel would grow. I don't really feel like doing that right now, though. I don't know why. Maybe I will just let it be natural, and just whatever happens, happens. I might do that. And because next year when we get ready to move, I will not be filming there for a while. At least a couple months. When I'm at my in-laws and all my things are packed away, I won't be filming. And so Yeah, and then I might change up the concept of my channel after I move. I'm thinking I might do more of a vlog videos after I move. Oh no, I'm thinking I've got a while to think about it, but I think from now on until we get ready to move, I'll film videos when I feel like filming videos, if that's okay. We'll just do it that way. And then we'll just go from there. I don't have time to sit. I'm trying to do jewelry. Maybe I'm trying to do too much. I'm trying to get the house ready to move. I'm trying to do my jewelry business. I'm trying to make ornaments to sell. I'm trying to make birthday presents, which I've decided Elizabeth's getting a $20 bill and a card. And I'm just trying, I think I'm trying to do too much. So, yeah, that's just how I've been feeling this week. I just wanted to let you guys know kind of where my headspace is. One thing we did since last week was we signed up for BritBox. Do any of you guys have BritBox? My son, you know, he's really into movies and he's really into certain television shows. And he was interested in a British television show. And I can't remember the name of it. But he looked up on our TV to see if we could get it. And it said we could with a subscription with BritBox. So we went in there and I'm like, I like this. Because I love British. I like, you know, like the Downton Abbey and the Pride and Prejudice and that kind of stuff. And there's a lot of it. You know, those period pieces, the romantic, you know. Yeah. So I'm like, okay, we'll sign up for this. So I have been watching BritBox and I have been enjoying The Gardener's World with Monty Don and Frosty. The guy's name is Frosty. I've been watching 8 out of 10 Cats. I like that show. That's been fun. I'm trying to see what colors I want to use. I have a red shirt on, so I didn't want to go too purple. I'm going to do a look without any purples in it. Out of a purple palette. That's what I'm going to do. So yeah, I have really been enjoying BritBox. And so I'm going to keep it. It's only $6.99 a month. Not sponsored. Nobody sponsors me. So, yeah. We've been enjoying it. My son is really loving it. He's watching his show. I've been watching Good Morning Britain. After the Piers Morgan thing where he stormed off, I went back and watched those episodes. And I get, with BritBox, I can get Good Morning Britain the next day. Just a day behind. Some of it doesn't interest me and I can fast forward through it. And some of it is pretty interesting. So yeah, that is what I've been doing. Watching a lot of BritBox. I have been watching on YouTube shopping at IKEA. That's our goal. When we get vaccinated and we can go out, we're as a family fully vaccinated, we're going to go to oh, I need something under my eyes. We're going to go to IKEA and do a little shopping. IKEA is in Charlotte, so it's about an hour and a half from us. So we're going to make a trip to IKEA. Okay, I'm going to, and I didn't zoom in, sorry Gloria. I'm going to go and put my mascara and liner on and I'll be right back. Okay, there we go. Got my liner and my mascara on. I like this eye look. I like it. It's pretty. Now I'm going to go into my color wheel and use this color Concept as my bronzer blush. I have been picking out some things to get in Sephora in the Sephora sale. I will be rouge until the end of the year, and I may even make rouge for next year, even on a low buy. That's crazy. But I have not been buying a lot of things, but some of the things I've been buying were expensive, like some expensive skincare. So it adds up. Okay, there's that. What was I gonna talk to you guys about? I don't remember. Let's put highlighter on. I hate it when I can't I was gonna talk about something and then I forget what I was gonna talk about. Story of my life. What am I doing? I don't even know what I'm doing. That's what happens. I can't do two things at one time. My brain can only function one thing at a time. That's sad. For my lips today, I'm going to use my Jeffree Star lipstick. And this one is in Jeffree who? Jeffree who? Oh, it's perfect for this look. Good choice. Good choice, Patricia. All right, there we go. I'm very happy with this look. So guys, thank y'all for joining me. I'm sorry I wasn't all chipper and upbeat today. I've just not been feeling that way this week. So yeah. Oh, and I know what I wanted to tell you guys now, so hang on. I have been Xanax free now for 4 days. No Xanax for 4 days. No side effects. No headaches. I think I'm off of it. I think that fast I'm off the Xanax. That might be why my mood's a little low. I don't know, but yeah, Xanax is gone and I'm averaging 6 to 8 hours of sleep at night, and I'm okay with that. So yeah, things are working good. So I just want to give you an update on that. So that's probably the last you're going to hear about the Xanax. I think I'm Xanax free. So guys, thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And again, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you that are watching, and I'll see you next time.